Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix PayPal login errors. Sometimes you might face issues signing in, like incorrect password messages, two-step verification not working, or the page not loading. First, double-check that you're entering the correct email and password, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If you've forgotten your password, click on Forgot Password and reset it using your email or phone number. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies or try logging in with a different browser or device. If you're using the PayPal app, make sure it's updated to the latest version. Also, check your internet connection since weak or unstable networks can prevent successful login. If the issue is related to two-step verification, confirm that your phone number is correct and that you have Signal to receive the code. In some cases, PayPal may temporarily limit access if they detect unusual activity. So check your email for any alerts or instructions. If nothing works, reach out to PayPal support through their help center. And that's it. That's how you fix common PayPal login errors. Subscribe the channel for more videos.